In the thick of it, understanding this engaging English phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you've likely heard but might not fully understand. In the thick of it. This expression is rich in imagery and usage, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to use it confidently in your conversations and writings. Let's explore what it means, its origins, and how to use it effectively in English. In the thick of it refers to being deeply involved or fully immersed in the most intense or active part of a situation, especially one that is challenging or chaotic. Picture yourself in a dense forest where the trees are so close together that you can barely see the sky. That's how involved you are in the situation, right in the center where everything is happening. The phrase, "in the thick of it," has its roots in military language. It originally described soldiers who were in the thickest, or most intense, part of the battle, where the fighting was heaviest. Over time, its usage expanded to refer to any involvement in the central, most intense part of an activity or situation, not just combat. 1. Work context. During the product launch, we were all in the thick of it, working late hours to ensure everything went smoothly. 2. Personal life. When you're raising young children, you're really in the thick of it, with endless tasks and challenges. 3. Social movements. She's been in the thick of it, advocating for climate change action on the front lines. These examples show that whether it's a high-pressure project at work, a challenging personal period, or being actively involved in a cause, being in the thick of it means you're deeply engaged in the most crucial part of the process. Understanding synonyms can help broaden your vocabulary. Here are a few related to "in the thick of it." At the heart of something, in the heat of something, in the midst of something, right in the middle. Each of these phrases conveys a similar sense of being deeply involved in an intense or important situation. I hope this video has clarified the meaning and usage of the phrase, "in the thick of it," for you. It's a powerful way to describe deep involvement in something, especially when it's challenging or full of action. Try using it in your conversations or writings to add depth and vividness. Thank you for watching, and remember, learning and using new phrases not only enriches your English but also makes your communication more engaging and precise. See you in the next video.